Hi friends, welcome to the Plane Fun RC channel. I'm your host Saul. We're here at Free State Aero Modelers and they're having their Aircraft of the World, and we're just walking around doing a real quick walk around to see what fun things they brought. And so enjoy the view here. We have our wonderful Lancaster, and I've got a video of that flying, and the gentleman telling me all about it. And it's just an amazing aircraft, rarely modeled, so it's a real treat to see one. It's got to be at least 120-inch wingspan minimum. Say we got a few combat aircraft back there. Sorry about that. Got some combat aircraft back there. Great looking P-38 and a P-51, of course a good old Apprentice. Got ourselves a nice laser. This is new from Extreme Flight. They're carrying the laser now. What type of plane, sir?
This is a Skywing Edge 540.
Very nice. Great looking airplane, my friend. Fantastic.
All JR servos.
Gorgeous. Those who got an Extreme Flight, one of the largest biplanes that they sell. Beautiful plane, sir. Good. We'll get some video of that in flight later on. Folks, we got a Gilmore Lion back here. Great looking Gilmore Lion. Weathered and everything. Very nice. We have got a stunning Edge demonstrator here, and we'll have a video on that. And I was talking with the pilot, and you'll see the full interview in the video. The Lozenger, the whole scheme, was hand cut for the most part. Gorgeous. We've got a stunning looking triplane here. Look at the weathering. Very unique. Very, very unique. Fantastic. All right, let's keep walking around and see what fun things we've got. Great looking 3D plane right there, about ready to go up. Gentleman just brought a jet. He's getting himself ready. Gorgeous jet.
Yeah. You're going to want to catch this guy in the air. Look at there.
And we got ourselves a Stearman over here. Gorgeous Stearman. Very nice one. All right, friends, more to come. Folks, continuing our walk around here at the Free State Aero Modelers, we've got ourselves a pea shooter over here. Gorgeous pea shooter. Did you build it yourself, sir? Or is it from the Seagull Models? Seagull Models, very nice. Wonderful, very unique. Great looking radial engine there and in there as well. Just wonderful. All right, friends, more to come. Folks, as we continue our walk around here at Free State Aero Modelers, Airplanes of the World event, we got ourselves a really nice looking P-51 here. Looks like we got an Extreme Flight. And we've got ourselves a really nice looking A-10 over here. Very nice, huge. Just huge, absolutely massive. With scale fan blades, as you can see there. Very cool. Very, very cool. All right, friends, more to come.